I can't shoot! Yo, yo! Hey, so what's going on, Slam saying welcome to CHOO. What the so, now, you know, I am the untrendy gamer, but this time I'm trendy. Well, I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm not gonna waste my time. Let's go straight into the video. I haven't done this in a minute. Yeah. Oh.
I know it's been a while since we last spoke.
Yo, Shane!
Something has happened at the mines I've
Yo,
been
Shane!
supervising.
Yo, Shane!
Trust me, you'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep your museum in business. Well, there's something big on that island. Real big.
Hey, yo!
So if anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll be the biggest attraction your city's ever seen. And you can help an old friend. Yes, meet me on the docks at sunset. I hope you're ready for a little monster hunt.
Before we get into the video, I just want to say shout out to my friend Mikey.
Thank you.
He introduced me to this game. He added me in a TikTok about this about, I think it was, I don't remember, but I think it was 1 year ago.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Half train, half giga spider from hell. We've been planning his demise for some time now, and have nearly everything in order. Just
Alrighty.
a few people to meet and places to see.
Can I look on? Ooh, I
Simple
can.
errands, you know.
Oh, we're going
Yes, sir. Welcome to Aeronerum.
Yes,
Where
sir.
miners dig their own graves.
No, I ain't
Stay
digging my
close.
grave.
Charles isn't the only thing to fear around here.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. Interaction item will glow. Alrighty. Whoa. How do I skip this? What? Woo! I thought I flew myself in the air. Yo,
There's a train
Jane, our
shed
boy.
at the top of the hill. One of the
continue.
train operators was killed early on by the beast, so his old engine should be in there. If we can get to it, it could be an indispensable tool on our journey. Stay close. We don't want to be exposed for too long.
I'm gonna switch this game off. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, slow down.
Too slow.
Hey, Eugene, slow down, boy. You're gonna bring your back, boy. Hey, you gonna burn us. Oh my gosh, Eugene. Damn. This guy faster than Usain Bolt. Damn. But I'm faster. Hey, move out my way, Eugene. Hey, Eugene, where you going? Charles. Oh, this is great. Hey, Eugene! Hey! Oh, that's scary, bro.
Shucks, it's locked.
What do we do now?
Not to worry, we can still find a way in.
Alright, that's good.
There's a small shack up the path that might have a key inside. Take this map. I just marked the location on it.
Why don't...
See if the key is up there, and I'll look around some more down here.
I'm just gonna split off, you know. Just gonna split off. Alright, that's all we're supposed to go. Alright, cool. Not that far. Just hope we don't get jumped by Eugene. Not Eugene. By Thomas, you know. Or should I say Charles? CHOO Charles. Whoa. How do we... Oh, there's a door right here. Yes, sir. Give me that key. Anything else? You can get out? No. You gotta search. This is a survival game, bro. You gotta search everything. Oh, I see. Alright. Eugene, I'm coming. Eugene, don't leave me.
Good on you! Looks like you found it. Open up that door and lead the way.
What if I don't want to? What if I say no? You're gonna die by Charles. We'll die together. I can't. Let's see what we got here in this crusty old cat. I was lying. I don't know why I was hyping you up. Look at your dusty phone, boy. You ain't brushed your teeth in years. Look at that, bro. Your teeth ain't white, they're black. Like me. Like me, look. Look. They're black like me. But look at your sideburns, dog. You haven't shaved in millennial. Get in the train. Get in the train. Get in the train! Blueprints. Oh, I see.
Are you ready to take this thing for a spin?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We on it. Whoa!
Ah, baby!
Yes, sir. We're riding.
Coming for you, Charles!
Hey, wait. How do you start this thing?
You hear that?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Drive, drive, drive. What's he at? Oh, my gosh! Oh, my gosh!
Add him up!
Charles!
Don't let the gun overheat! He's not taking enough damage!
Big gun!
Headshot!
I'm tired! He's coming close! Charles! Oh my gosh! Hey, I can't shoot! Eugene! No! Eugene! 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 Eugene!
Oh! This isn't how things were supposed to end. I thought we could still fight like the old days.
Yes, sir. We can.
Easy out.
Eugene!
You need to do more than I thought.
Eugene, get up!
I don't have to.
Eugene, please get up! Oh, Eugene, look at your legs. He stole them ankles. He took your ankles, Eugene. He took your ankles, Eugene. Alright, get on the train. Get on the train. We ain't gonna die. Eugene! No, 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 no. Whoa, no, no, no. I don't want to run over Eugene. Chill, chill, chill. Alright. Rest in peace, Eugene. So which way do we go? Oh. There's a mission. There you go. There you go. Alright, so we can, how do you mark this? There you go. So. Rest in peace, Eugene, man. Stop. Oh, it's already going to the left. Alright. Not good. Yeah, I was about to say, what the heck? Hello? Yo! What's up, dog? Hey, why are you looking up like that? What are you looking at, bro? Oh. How fucking your neck bent there?
You must be the archivist that Eugene told us about.
Indeed.
We're happy you came to help us out of this predicament with Charles and that madman Warren.
No, he didn't tell me about no Warren.
You know, that old train of yours will need some major upgrades if you want to take down Charles.
I know. It's too late.
There are some metal scraps in my barn that you could use to improve
Oh,
it.
say less.
Here's the key to the barn.
What did you mark it? Let's. Oh, you're lucky I can't go in your house, mate. Oh yeah. What's this? Scrap. 1, 2, 3. Either. 4. Either. Either. Oh, either. One more. Where is it? Gotcha. Either. We'll go there next, but first we got some scrap metal. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna need some speed. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna do every time I get scrap. I'm gonna do speed. Can I get scrap? No. I can repair the train though, so let's do that. I'll see you later, Tony. We on our way. We're on our way. Yes, sir. Oh, wait. Stop. Alright. Kind of a bit too ahead of yourself. We just passed it. Alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Hey, what's up, gal?
I need my pickles!
Stop. What's up, sir? Oh, ma'am, my bad. Oh, you got a shotty ready? Okay, okay. My bad.
Eugene told us we'd have a newcomer soon. I suppose that would be you.
Indeed.
There's some scrap metal in the balcony room of my house that you could use to repair and upgrade your train.
I respect that.
Here's the key. And although the balcony is right behind me, I'll just mark it on your map anyway.
Yeah, I'm stupid. I understand. Yeah.
As a side note, talk to anyone around here, and they'll do whatever they can to help.
No. See, you're lying because I talked to the pickle lady like a second ago, and she said I had to do something to give all of us scraps. So
Anyone not wearing a mask, that is. Check out the balcony, and take whatever you can use.
see, these guys are hitting me with these blunt answers. I'm supposed to save that island, and they're making me figure it
luck
out
with everything.
myself. Shut the fuck up. Ooh, I'm gonna spit on your face, but I'm nice, son. Give me the scrap, give me the scrap, scrappy scrap. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir, we're rich. Yes, sir, whoa, 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 what is stuff here? What's that? We've been waiting as patiently as we can, but we've been waiting as patiently as we can, but the past few days have been chaotic, to say the least. Charles has been more aggressive lately, to the point where I'm starting to fear how many of us will be left by the time help arrives. Godspeed, Eugene. We're counting on you. Hey, thanks for the scrap metal, by the way. I take back everything I said. You're a very nice lady. I hope you kill Charles with that shotgun. She's not gonna do it. I sprayed 16 rounds into his head and he still chased me. Righty. Now, we gotta go to big man over here. Hello. Let's get a move on. Let's get a move on. Whoa, 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 stop. Alright. Start driving. I see him, he's there. I see him. Get ready, son. Get ready. I see him. Charles, come here. I see you, boy. What's he at? How do I get off this? B. Stop the train. Shoot. Okay, put it in reverse. Bad John. Yo! What's going on? Oh. Let me shut the door. Oh, I can't. Oh, you didn't see that. I'm good.
Look, kid. I know you're supposed to be some fancy-pants monster hunter, but you can't earn my respect without making yourself useful.
Alright, cool. I'll take back what I said. I hope you saw me steal that scrap of yours.
One of Warren's goons dumped a locked chest in the yard last night. After beating on it for a few hours, I didn't break anything but a sweat.
Because you're weak! You're weak, son.
I got some lock picks, but I don't know how to use them.
I'll take them. I will take them.
Here, take them. If you can get that chest open, you'll earn my respect. I might just give you some scraps to help improve
See,
your
I gotta
train.
do stuff. Oh. You're lucky I can't hurt you, boy, man, because your junk's so bold, boy. Look at your bald head. Don't look at me. Keep looking forward. Hey, I'm gonna be real. This life must be boring. And I'm gonna keep the door open for you. Like, this life must be hella boring, bro. Like, hella. Like, he's just sitting there, bro. He's just sitting there like this. No, seriously, he's just sitting there, and he's just like this. Pretend there's no screen in front of me. He's just sitting there like this. Where's Charles at? I want you to just kill me already! Alright, now we can find it all. We gotta check. Yep, exactly. This is why you always check your surroundings, people. Because you never know when scrap metal could be lying about. Oh, let's see. and I'll be making my Legos right here. Easy. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Boom. Now there's more levels. Boom and skidoo. And skidoo, skidoo, skidoo. This is what I do. Next. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the frick? Run. 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 Stay inside. Oh my gosh. 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 Is that my train? That's not my train. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Charles. Charles, it was a joke. Charles, it was a joke. Charles, run. Run. Get to the train. Get to the train. Get to the train. Get to the train. Charles? Oh my gosh. Get inside. Get inside. Get inside. Oh my gosh. Hey. He's scared too. This will be a hell of a line. There you go.
Well, fancy fingers here got the chest
Hey, just keep
unlocked.
talking, bro. Just keep talking. Scary. Oh.
That's an odd-looking piece of junk you found inside there. Bit of a letdown, to be frank.
Oh, he's coming again.
You earned my respect. So here's some scraps, like I promised.
Thank you. My gosh. Alright, cool. Oh. Hey, but it's okay. I'll protect you, bro. Well, guys, I'm gonna end it there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you slump that like button and subscribe today to become a slime. And until next time, I